Good evening to all of you. On behalf of Indiana Buddhist Temple, I would like to invite all of you coming Saturday, 19 on Saturday at 1:30 p.m. We are going to start mini meditation retreat. The program going to be start 1:30 at 1:30 p.m. It's going to be until 6:30 p.m. Meditation program include with loving kindness meditation, mindfulness of breathing meditation, walking meditation, Dhamma discussion, and blessing. On behalf of the Indiana Buddhist Temple resident monks, we would like to invite all of you. Now I am sitting under the beautiful maple tree. This morning we started build very important places for the sitting meditation. Now I am sitting under the tree. We build very comfortable. Actually, this is look like chair, meditation chairs under the trees. If you're interested to practice meditation, sitting meditation, or other meditation session, if you would like to practice, welcome. Right now, Indiana Buddhist Temple ground, the beautiful and peaceful. You can practice meditation with us under the peaceful, beautiful trees. This is very good place for the practice sitting meditation, and we can do Dhamma discussions also under the trees. I would like to invite all of you, if you have free time, come in Saturday, please come, or you can join online. Indiana Buddhist Temple Facebook page, Lankaram Buddhist Temple Facebook page, Kote Rajamaha Vihare Facebook page, and other Facebook pages are open for you. Any religion, any faith, all nationalities, welcome. If you want to come here, welcome. Please wear mask. Please wear a mask. We want to take care of your life and other people life. I know some people don't like to wear a mask, and sometimes people are thinking, okay, right now we don't want to mask, we can go everywhere without mask. But most of doctors are saying 95%, 85%, 98% working vaccine, or they are good different kind of advice, different kind of ideas. With my idea, my advice, all of you, 98 meaning not the 100%, right? We don't know something happen, we will have different kind of problem. Please wear in mask, and you can practice meditation without mask, but when you communicate with each other, we have to wear a mask. Welcome with the mask. Okay. Thank you very much. I would like to invite all of you, join us coming Saturday at 1:30 p.m. And now I am going to work with you under the trees, and I would like to show to you our meditation seat. They are very good. Okay. Thank you very much. Join with me. This is a very beautiful place. You can see now our waterfall The people are practicing walking meditation around the waterfall. This is very peaceful place. Join with me. Yes, now I am going to show you today we build meditation practitioners want to practice meditation under the trees. Now welcome and you can practice. Oh, this is our beautiful friend. Yes, this is a new place. Okay, bless you, bless you, bless you. And we built 10 meditation. Actually, this is the cushion meditation seat. This look like table actually. Chair, we can call chair. See, it's very nice. අපි ආරාධනා කරන සෑම දිනාටම තමන්ගේ හිත නිවා ගන්න භාවනා කරන්න. මේ විදියට මෙම ස්ථානයට පැමිණිලා ඔයත්න්ට පුළුවන් තමන්ගේ හිත නිවා ගන්න අවශ්‍ය කරන විදියට භාවනා කටයුතු වලට යොමු වෙන්න. The meditation practice good for all human beings. Meditation practice not only for the Buddhist followers. Meditation practice very good for all human beings. Through the meditation practice, my dear Dhamma friends, Facebook friends, dear devotees, you can reduce your negative thoughts, and also I can reduce my negative thoughts through the meditation practice, and can see the many places open for you. See, we build these kind of places for you. Indiana Buddhist Temple always welcome all human beings. Yeah, it's very peaceful. The behind the very beautiful, peaceful trees are there. They are spreading peace, kindness. See? The 19 on Saturday at 1:30 p.m. we are going to start our mini meditation retreat outside, not the inside. Everybody can come and join us. Loving kindness meditation session, mindfulness of breathing meditation session, walking meditation. We can walk mindfully. We can walk with positive thoughts around the temple, around the waterfall area, around the meditation kutis. You can walk with the group of people, with the group of monks, and you can join with Dhamma discussion also. Dhamma discussion, whatever questions, if you have, welcome, you can ask, you can share. If you have any kind of experiences about different type of meditation, Buddhist philosophy, Dhamma, you can discuss and you can share with each other. It's another place. Yes. Okay. I'm so sorry today we didn't do our live blessing program. This morning we started to work different kind of things. Still we are cleaning, working temple garden. Tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. join us to the Indiana Buddhist Temple and other Facebook pages live. We are going to start our evening on Monday loving kindness meditation session, metta meditation. අපි සියලු දෙනාටම ආරාධනා කරනවා අපිත් එක්ක හෙට 6:00ට භාවනා පින්කමට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න කියලා. ඉතින් උදා වෙන පොසොන් පොහොය දවසේ නිමිති කරගෙන අපි 19 වෙනිදා ඉන්දියානා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ සෑම දිනා වෙනුවෙන්ම ආමිෂ සහ ප්‍රතිපත්ති පූජා සිදු කරනවා. භාවනා පින්කමට විශේෂ තැනක් ලබා දෙනවා. දවල් 1:00 සිට හැන්දෑවේ 6:00 භාවනා වැඩසටහන් ධර්ම සාකච්ඡා අටවිසි බුද්ධ පූජා ආදී විවිධ පින්කම් සිද්ධ වෙනවා. අපි ඔබට ආරාධනා කරනවා පැමිණ ඔබට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒ සෞඛ්‍ය විදීන්ට අනුකූලව. ඒ වගේම ඔබට Facebook page හරහාත් ඔබට මූණ පොත හරහා ඔබට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්නත් අපි කටයුතු සලසලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් කැමති කෙනෙකුට කැමති විදිහට මේ පින්කම් වලට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැමදෙනාටම අපි ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කරනවා ඔබට සුබ වාදී ප්‍රාර්ථනා ඉතිවර තෙරුවන්ගේ ආශිර්වාද හිමි සුබ දවසක් වේවා කියලා සෑම දිනකටම ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. I will bless you. May you and your family be well, happy and peaceful. May the Holy Triple Gem bless you and protect you. Please do everything mindfully. Mind always keep you with your action. That's way you and me can protect our life and other life. Okay, it is my metta message to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.